Hey guys, I'm gonna be helping you with this assignment, the assignment for this week, week 12 on the coronavirus. So in order to add the data, you have to add it into a table. So I'm only gonna add the first couple of days. So second day was 53, third day was 69, fourth day was 94. And so if you want, you can always change the settings on your graph by going to the wrench. So we don't have any negative days. So you can change it to 0 if you want. And then we don't need any negative y's. So you could change that to 0. And so you have a graph that looks something like this. So you can create your equation, the approximation of the exponential equation by typing the following. So you're going to type y, and then instead of putting equals, you're going to use this symbol here. So you open up your keyboard, you go to the tilde, and then we're approximating an exponential equation. So hopefully you remember that an exponential equation is in this form. Oops. So after you guys type in the y, it has to match the values in my table. So notice how there's a y sub 1, so I have to make sure I type that as well. Okay, so I have my tilde, and then my exponential equation is in the form a times b to the x. And same thing, it has to match, so it has to be x sub 1. And then that's it. So that gives me my a value, that gives me my b value, and then I can write an exponential equation out of those that will help me predict in how many days, how many people will be infected in an X amount of days. I hope this helped.